Your workshop might already have a hammer and a tape measure, but let's be honest, those aren't the tools that turn just wood into wow. Today, we're diving into the 5 must-have DIY woodworking tools that will take your projects from shaky shelves to brag-worthy builds. Whether you're carving out your first masterpiece or fine-tuning your craft, these tools aren't just handy, they're game changers. So if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit and make sawdust like a pro, stick around. The perfect blend of precision, power, and practicality is about to land on your workbench. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. DEWALT Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Power and portability define the DEWALT Cordless Combo Kit. Right away, you'll notice the DCD771 drill's 2-speed transmission, which gives you flexibility for delicate work or tougher applications. Its 300-unit-watt motor delivers solid performance that rivals bulkier drills, yet it remains compact and lightweight for use in tight spaces. You'll like the 1x2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck because it provides excellent bit gripping strength, so bits don't slip during heavy use. Comfort is also a standout feature thanks to the ergonomic handle, which keeps hand fatigue low compared to stiffer alternatives. I love the DC885 impact driver, most since its compact 5.55-inch frame fits easily into awkward corners. At just 2.8 pounds, it feels light without sacrificing torque. One-handed loading on the 1x4-inch hex chuck speeds up bit changes, while the 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay gives shadow-free visibility that outperforms most single LED setups. You'll also value the LED footlight, which improves precision when working in dim conditions. Both tools complement each other perfectly, making this kit versatile enough for professional or home projects. One drawback is the included batteries drain faster under heavy use. Overall, this kit balances power, comfort, and convenience. Next, SKIL 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw. Cutting hardwoods feels effortless with the SKIL portable Jobsite table saw. Its 15-amp motor rips through thick material faster than most entry-level saws, giving you power usually found in pricier models. Rack and pinion fence rails keep the fence parallel to the blade, so every adjustment feels smooth and results in precise cuts. You'll appreciate the parallel blade alignment feature because it lets you fine-tune blade positioning along the rip fence and miter slot for consistent accuracy. The 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees expands your options beyond standard boards, while the 2 to 47-degree bevel range with quick-release lever handles allows angled cuts easily. I love the integrated folding stand most since it makes transport and storage quick without compromising stability. Dust management stands out too, with a port elbow that directs debris straight into a container, keeping your workspace cleaner than many competitors. You'll also like the coated cast aluminum tabletop, which feels sturdy without adding unnecessary bulk. Safety gets attention here as well, thanks to the anti-restart switch that prevents accidental restarts after outages. One drawback is the stock 24-tooth blade, which works fine but benefits from an upgrade. Overall, this table saw blends power, precision, and portability. BOSCH Palm Sander. Sanding projects feel easier with the BOSCH Palm Sander. Its 2.5-amp motor delivers more control than many lightweight models, and the variable speed dial lets you fine-tune performance between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM. That flexibility means you can switch from aggressive stock removal to delicate finishing without swapping tools. You'll notice how the pad dampening system eliminates swirl marks, even on contoured surfaces, which makes this tool stand out from cheaper random orbit sanders. Bosch's hook and loop disc attachment system keeps pads locked in securely with over 35,000 long-life hooks, ensuring discs don't slip mid-task. I love the microfilter system most because it traps particles as small as half a micron, keeping your workspace noticeably cleaner. A twist-off dust canister makes disposal simple, and the clear body shows dust levels, so you know when to empty it. Included accessories like a vacuum adapter, sanding disc, and carrying bag make it a complete kit right out of the box. Durability shines through with the compact design. while the optimized pad orbit and rotation create a smooth, professional finish. One minor drawback is that the canister fills quickly during heavy sanding sessions. Overall, you get power, comfort, and consistent results. Next, DEWALT router fixed. Power meets precision with the DEWALT router fixed. Right away, you'll notice how the durable 1.25 horsepower motor handles tough applications better than many compact routers in this class. Variable speed control provides flexibility when shifting between materials, giving you an edge over single-speed competitors. You'll find the soft starting motor helpful since it reduces jerks and keeps every cut smooth. Full-time electronic feedback maintains speed under load, ensuring consistent results when working through hardwoods. Dual LED paired with a clear sub-base provides excellent visibility, making it easier to guide the bit with confidence. I love the adjustment ring most because it allows for depth changes as fine as 1 by 64 inch, letting you achieve detailed finishes. On the plunge base, the fine-tune adjustment rod gives you precise control for depth settings. Large, low-pressure spindle lock buttons and multiple shaft lock detents make bit changes quick and simple compared to models requiring 2 wrenches. Spring-loaded release tabs allow fast base removal, so swapping configurations feels effortless. You'll also appreciate the solid clamping mechanism that keeps the motor secure during operation. One minor drawback is that it's louder than some alternatives, though performance makes up for it. Overall, this router excels in control, accuracy, and usability. First I have BOSCH Corded Barrel Grip Jigsaw. Cutting curves feels effortless with the BOSCH Corded Barrel Grip Jigsaw. You'll notice right away how the 7-amp motor gives you plenty of cutting power compared to lighter models. Variable speed control lets you adjust strokes for delicate or aggressive cuts, which makes it far more versatile than entry-level saws. You'll appreciate how comfortable the upfront soft grip handle feels during long sessions, especially when working on intricate designs. Its low-vibration plunging system and counterbalanced mechanism deliver a smooth, steady motion that keeps your cuts precise. Constant response circuitry ensures consistent speed under pressure, which matters when you're cutting dense materials. I love the multi-directional blade clamp most because it locks T-shank blades firmly and keeps them secure even under heavy use. A toolless blade change system paired with the blade ejection lever saves time and spares you from handling hot blades. 4 orbital action settings allow you to switch quickly from clean edges to aggressive cuts without swapping tools. You'll find the die-cast aluminum footplate sturdy, and the overshoe prevents scratches on delicate surfaces. One drawback is its inability to use U-shank blades, which slightly limits options. Overall, you get a pro-level jigsaw that outperforms many competitors. This tool delivers precision, durability, and comfort.